bird you've ever seen. A for bull, round and bright, kick it, roll it, it's pure delight. C for cat, it loves to purr, chasing mice and flicking its fur. D for dog, it wags its tail, a faithful friend through every trail.
E for elephant, big and strong, with its trunk it sings a song.
F for fish, in water it stays, with its trunk it sings a song. F for goat, it munches hay, climbing hills all night and day. H for horse, it loves to run, galloping fast under the sun. I for igloo, cold and white, a snowy home that feels just right. J for jelly, wobbly and sweet, a yummy snack that's fun to eat. K for kite, it soars so high, flying freely in the sky. For lion with a golden mane, the king of the jungle, wild and untamed. And for monkey, it loves to swing, from tree to tree it's always grinning. And for nest, where baby birds sleep, high in the branches, snug and deep. O for owl, awake all night, its big round eyes are quite a sight. P for penguin, waddling away, in icy snow it loves to play. Q for queen, she wears a crown, ruling her castle and royal town. R for rocket, blast into space, zooming fast in a thrilling race. S for star, twinkle so bright, lighting the sky in the quiet night. T for turtle, slow and steady, with its shell it's always ready. U for umbrella, keeps you dry on rainy days when clouds are high. V for violin, it plays so sweet, music that makes you tap your feet. T for a whale, in the ocean it dives, the largest creature that's alive. X for xylophone, playing its chime, lovely sounds every time. E for yak, with woolly fur, it climbs the hills where the cold winds stir. Z for zebra, its stripes of white, it gallops fast, a beautiful sight.